Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the incredible benefits of drinking bay leaf tea daily. From boosting your digestion to enhancing your heart health, bay leaf tea has a lot to offer. Let's dive in. 10 reasons to drink bay leaf tea daily. Reason number 1, improve digestive health. Bay leaf tea stimulates digestive enzymes, helping reduce bloating, gas, and constipation. Enjoy a cup after meals for a happier tummy. Reason number 2, anti-inflammatory properties. Bay leaves contain compounds like eugenol and myrcene, which can help reduce inflammation and alleviate arthritis pain. Reason number 3, they're packed with antioxidants. These powerful compounds fight free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and lowering your risk of chronic diseases. Reason number 4, heart health. Regular consumption of bay leaf tea can help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, contributing to a healthier heart. Reason number 5, blood sugar control. Bay leaf tea can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin function, making it beneficial for those managing diabetes. Reason number 6, respiratory relief. The essential oils in bay leaves can help alleviate respiratory issues, making it easier to breathe when you're dealing with a cold or congestion. Reason number 7, stress reduction. Bay leaf tea has a calming effect on the mind and body, helping to reduce anxiety and stress levels. Reason number 8, it boosts your immune system. The vitamins and minerals in bay leaves, like vitamin C and A, help strengthen your immune defenses. Reason number 9, better skin health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves can improve skin health, reducing acne and promoting a clear complexion. Reason number 10, detoxification. Bay leaf tea promotes healthy liver function and helps flush out toxins from your body. So there you have it, 10 compelling reasons to start drinking bay leaf tea daily. It's a simple addition to your routine that can bring about profound health benefits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.